I got everything packed up and I'm ready to go. Plantation Cottages was a really nice place to stay. I enjoyed my time here, but I'm looking forward to hitting the road, seeing what the rest of the island looks like. I think today is going to be great. I'm really looking forward to seeing the black sand beach and a few stops along the way. So let's see what the road has in store. I got some beef jerky and a Snickers bar, and I wandered around for about 5 minutes to settle on that. I'm just gonna get to the next town. I know there's some good stuff there, health food store, bakery. 12 miles to go. Let's see what the road looks like. Here I got two options. I can either take the hills, 1,000 feet extra climb, or take the highway. Wow. Okay, I'm already to the black sand beach. It was pretty much all downhill. I was doing about 30 and I got here really fast. You know, I'm not really ready to take a break, but I'm gonna go down there and check it out anyway. Black Sand Beach was okay. It was nice to stop, but I think some of the most famous beaches are some of the most disappointing. Maybe it's because they talk them up. Maybe it's because there's so many people there. Don't be afraid to go to a little beach. Land out here. Different than yesterday, but still just as remote. I'm at a lower elevation, it's green and lush. It's really nice. I just happen to have a nice downhill right now too. I just had a guy wave at me, throw up the shaka, showing his support for my ride. I think a lot of people are really supportive of people doing self-powered rides out here, especially on this part of the island, on the southern tip. I love the positivity of the island. Quick detour to Whittington Beach Park. This was actually a campground that was open that I was going to stay at on my original schedule before the volcano blew. I'm about a third of the way done with the day. It's already going pretty fast. I got an early start. It's only 11:30 and oh wow, this place is beautiful. This is right where I had planned on camping when I looked at it on Google Maps. It's absolutely every bit as beautiful as I thought it would be. We'll hang out here for a minute. just kind of sitting here relaxing. Google tells me I will be traveling 0 feet down and 2,000 feet up over the next little while. So I'm gonna sit here and enjoy not pedaling up the hill in the sun and soak up this beautiful beach. Alright, can't put it off any longer. Oh, this is quite a hill. Beautiful day. And it keeps going and going and going. Whew. I think the climbing's finally over. I can see the town. That was a long, hot climb. It's about 90 degrees. It was only maybe 5 or 6 miles of climb and stuff. Let's go find some more food. Made it to Nahaleu. As far around the island as I had driven with my friend, and that means that I've seen the whole thing now. Woo! Down this road is where I went to the Nahaleu rodeo, and that's definitely as far as I went. So now I'm getting back into town. I think I'm gonna go to the bakery that I first went to when I first got here and get some food. The Honolulu Bake Shop never fails to satisfy. I'm getting a lot of positivity from people today. I've gotten more waves and smiles and encouraging words today than any other day. That ain't bad, because I could use it today. There's been a lot of climbing. Oh, this hill just keeps going and going. Woo! Oh my god. It's not even the top of the hill. I just thought I'd stop and celebrate. Oh, I'm gonna take this opportunity to get off the main road, take a little back route. It may take a little longer, but that'll be worth it not to have to deal with semi-trucks and stuff. Oh, 17% grade. Almost done. It's nice being on a road that's not so busy. Almost back to green sands. I made it back to South Point Road. Practically feels like home after spending a few days out here. Just up the road is Green Sands Oasis. I think I'm gonna stop in there, take a little break. Green Sand Oasis. Hard to tell if it was a mirage. I've been out here so long. Oh, that was nice to make a quick pit stop. Now I'm headed to Oceanside. another good decision on lodging. Today was pretty brutal, but I got a nice place to stay tonight. Getting ready for the long trip tomorrow. Got about 45 miles, a little bit of rest. I'll be ready to do it.